Dear student, today we going to study the examples on angle bisector theorem. On the property of the angle bisector theorem, our first example is that in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is equal to 2.5, then find QP. Observe this figure. In this figure, triangle PMN. In this triangle, sec NQ is the angle bisector of angle N. So we should have to find out the value of QP. Value of MQ, value of MN and value of PN are given. So by the property of angle bisector theorem, we can write here the ratios MQ upon QP is equal to Mn upon Np by angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Which are the values of this MQ, QP, Mn and Np? Put the values of this. Values of MQ, that is 2.5 upon values of QP is not given. So we can write here QP, that is equal to, what is the value of Mn? That is 5, and values of Np, that is 7. Make cross multiplication. 5 into QP is equal to 7 into 2.5. Okay, therefore QP is equal to 7 into 2.5. 5 is multiply 5 into QP, that is the QP is equal to 7 into 2.5, and 5 is in the denominator in the right hand side. So here QP is equal to 2.5 म्हणजे अडीच आणि हे 5 आहे, अडीचची दुप्पट 5 म्हणजे 2.5 1s are 2.5, 2.5 2s are 5. QP is equal to 7.2, and therefore QP is equal to 7.2, that is 3.5. okay, values of QP is equal to 3.5. What is the unit of this QP? There is no unit given, therefore we can write here 3.5 unit. Okay, this is the first example on the angle bisector theorem. So we are going to study the next example on this property, on the same property, that is angle bisector theorem. See here figure, this is a triangle PNM. In this triangle, these both angles are same, that is the sec NQ is angle bisector of this angle, and these are the givens MQ, Mn and Np. So we have to find out the value of QP using this information. So on the same way here, by the angle bisector theorem, what is here ratio? What is MQ upon QP is equal to Mn upon Np by angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Okay, put the values of MQ. What is value of MQ here? 14, and QP is not given, that is QP, that is equal to, what is value of MN? 25. And what is value of NP? That is 40. Okay, now make the cross multiplication. QP into 25, that is equal to 14 into 40. Therefore QP is equal to, what is here, 14 into 40, and this 25 in the division, that is in the denominator right hand side. Okay, therefore QP is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 14 8s are 112 divided by 5. Therefore QP is equal to 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are also 10. What is remaining? 2. Put 0 on the 2, that is 20. 5 4s are 20. That is QP is equal to 22.4. There is no unit, so we can write here QP is equal to 22.4 unit. Okay, these are the second example on this angle bisector theorem. You should solve all the examples on this property. Okay.